Hi, Kylie. Kylie, who are you?
Open.
Okay, Andy, let me take a picture of you. Andy. Andy.
It's from Grandma too.
Andy.
Andrew, stop getting in the way, Andrew. Move out of the way. What are you doing right now? Huh, Kylie?
I'm putting a present.
Hey, monkey butt.
Hey, monkey butt.
Oh, what do you got?
Hey, monkey butt.
It's magic fabric.
Angie, stay out of the way.
Andy.
Stay out of the way.
It's like this
Andy.
little thing that's supposed to come with it.
Yeah.
You slide it through,
Smile,
and
monkey
then
butt.
it like pops
You know
up.
what it is?
Yeah. I
Hey.
seen
Monkey
the
butt.
I seen the
Hey, monkey
commercial.
butt.
It's on TV.
Hey, monkey ass.
Hey, monkey butt, don't get all excited now.
Hey, monkey butt.
It's only Christmas, you know?
Hey, she got the same. Again.
I know you're not.
She get another one. I'm not.
That's what I'm saying. Don't get all excited, you know? We wouldn't want you to get all
We want you to
excited.
get excited.
We wouldn't want you to be all happy that you open a present.
Hold
Big
them
deal,
up.
huh?
Oh, and then that's
What do you got? What are those?
magic fabric. Magic fabrics, and then it comes with this little kid thing.
Are you happy?
Are you sure? You don't look very happy.
Mommy, can I open it?
You're welcome. Okay, Ivan, after we take
Why aren't you acting all crazy or nothing? You're supposed to go like, ah!
no one.
Here, a little girl.